we've got this mystery box. So, it's actually not a mystery to me. I know what's in there. We got 6 gashapons. Now, this was originally supposed to be a case of boxed blind boxes, but that is a long story, why they are not. So, let's unbox the first one. Whoa, hello. And these are, the designer is Dog Bang Peng. They did the Foodie dinosaurs. And now we've got these cute little, whatever they are. Okay, so we do have some information here. Here are all the ones we can get. I can't read that. There is the artist, if you want to look them up. So that is pretty cute. They were supposed to be blind boxes, but then it turned out that they didn't have the license for blind boxes, only for gashapons, so they had to take everything out of the boxes, and then I suppose had to make these and then stuff them in capsules. Let's see, I'm hoping this one isn't broken. All right, well, since it's open, he's in a cute little inner tube. Or no, that's not an inner tube. Or it's an inner tube spaceship. And his cute little shrimp spaceship. Maybe they're supposed to come out. I don't know. Let's see. Well, I don't know if that's intentional or not. Okay, looks like he's in there pretty good now. Pretty cute. So does this one come out then, or off? Is it supposed to? Am I gonna break it? Ah, I guess it does come off. That's pretty adorable. Okay, if I would have paid attention to the checklist, it shows you that yes, it does indeed come off. These are pretty darn cute. By the way, I would love to see the popcorn one. I do think we get a full set though, I'm pretty sure. Oh, here's the boba tea. Oh, that boba tea's so cute. Little triceratops. Man, that's adorable. Let's get a closer look. There he is. This little inner tube spaceship. Super cute. So this is boba tea. This is a shrimp. I have no idea. Does anybody know what this is? Oh, you know what? This is one of those like meatballs on a skewer thing, isn't it? Something like that. Okay, let's do the purple one next, maybe. There we go. All right. Oh, this one has to be a dessert. Isn't that cute? Ooh, those cookies are so good. These are adorable. Let's take his little thing off so we can see him a little bit better. Oh, they're so adorable. Oh man, are those cute. Put his little flying saucer shield back on. Okay, this is gonna be a pretty short video. There's just 6 of them. Is this a rice ball? Rice triangle? It's adorable. Let me know. I believe it is. But I don't know if they're called, what they're called, rice balls, or is it like a sushi thing? I do not eat sushi, so I'm not real familiar. Man, that's cute. So yeah, you can move these guys into the other ones if you want. They can trade little foodie ships. Last one. I hope it's the popcorn. Yes, it is. Oh good, I'm glad they opened because that would be a bummer. Look at how cute the popcorn is. It's adorable. So here he is up close. So cute. Put him back in his little popcorn container. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, here are all the ones that we got. Let me know what your favorite is. You probably won't be surprised that the popcorn is my favorite. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and we'll see you next time.